What's going on, guys, and welcome to a new video. Just gonna share a couple of new pressure washing rigs that we're building this week. We're currently in the month of August, and if you're watching for the first time, if you're new to our channel, thanks for checking us out. Please like, comment, or subscribe to frequent some of our content, check out some of our other videos, and see some of our other work. Just sharing this with you first. This one came in yesterday. It's a pretty large trailer. This company here is looking to do some water reclamation. Got a big commercial contract. As you can see, they purchased one of our LFT land to hot water skids that I talked about in our last video. Going to do a couple of tanks here, one for water reclamation. They're going to set up a Landa vacuum right back here, along with the generator. So really nice build, shouldn't take very long. Like I said, just came in yesterday and the guys in the shop set it up, got everything laid out, and I'll share some of their work as they're building. And we also, in the shop back there, we have a flatbed that we're also building. Also showed up yesterday, so pretty busy week for us here at MVP. Of course, this is stuff we do all the time. So if you're looking for a pressure washing rig or a setup, a truck, trailer, anything, we do custom builds. So everything is built exactly the way that you would want. And of course, when we set these up, guys, we do our very best to set them up in a way that makes things easy, right? So as you can see along this trailer here, we have access to the reels, we have access to the tanks, the plumbing, we have access to the machine. So when you bring it to us for repairs, for maintenance, everything is right here, right? So you see a lot of pressure washing rigs or setups where guys will build them and they'll look great, but you know, as far as having to get in there and work on them, a lot of times they're cramped, a lot of times you have to climb in, a lot of times it's just very hard to get access. Another point that we try to do, so I walk around here, is we try our best to set up chem tanks away from the equipment. Now, this particular rig is going to have a tank for bleach and a tank for a degreaser. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to set this tank up as far away from that machine as we can. Now, the degreaser tank will probably go in between, but that shouldn't affect the equipment. But as you know, bleach has a lot of off gases, especially our sodium hypochlorite here, which is extremely strong, has a lot of off gases. So what it does is, if it's near any equipment, it's going to corrode it. It's going to cause it to go down quicker. So anytime we build these now, we try to keep that chemical as far away from the machine as we can. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and like I said, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please subscribe for more content in the future. So we'll see you guys soon. Just wanted to give you a quick reminder that all of our Honda GX 690 motor machines, cold water, hot water, makes no difference, but any machine with a Honda GX 690 is still currently $500 off until the end of this month. The flatbed, which I'll be sharing in this video, is going to feature 2 of these bad boys on there. So again, if you're in the market for a GX 690 machine, whether it's 8-gallon cold water, 8-gallon hot water, it's $500 off until the end of August. So please come in and take advantage of that sale. And check these out. What's going on, guys? Just wanted to share this build with you. This is the flatbed that arrived the same day as the trailer, and our guys will be putting this together today. We'll probably be finishing it today as well. Had a busy week so far. This customer here, commercial company, is looking to do quite a bit of commercial work, so they went with 2 of our Honda GX690 Udor custom skids. You can see there's one over there on that side as well. They're getting 4 Hane hose reels as well, which are top of the line hose reels. They're also going to have the 1800 series Hane reels for their water fill reels. So these have 1-inch hubs. So this is going to allow for faster flow, which is going to save them some time on the job. In the past, we've used regular 1/2-inch hubs for our fill line, but we're going to start promoting these a lot more to save time for contractors. It just gives you more flow. So, but anyway, I'm going to share some of the work being done to this by our guys today, so you guys can kind of see the process a little bit. But they'll probably have this done today. So I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys soon. So here it is, guys. The flatbed is completed. We have our reels back here off the back side of the flatbed. We got our 2 custom Udor 8 gallon per minute machines on the side, They got their tanks there towards the front of the truck. Just wanted to share this with you as well. As I mentioned earlier, these are the 1800 series Hainate reels that I was telling you guys about before. And this is also our 3/4 supply hose, or garden hose it is. So normally when we set up trailers, or we have in the past, we've used standard garden hoses from regular retail stores, which are pretty affordable. However, we've had issues with those in the past being very difficult to deal with, either when taking off of the hose reels, or even if you've got to take the ends off of the garden hoses. So we have these special made. These are Goodyear hoses that we have actually put together by our supplier that provides us our supply hose, which is the same hose we use for water. So what they do is they crimp on these brass ends for us, which are heavy duty, and prevents the hoses from being very difficult to manage. So again, just wanted to show you, we've got 2 9-gallon gas tanks over there. And of course, here is the Honda GX690 custom Udor skid that we sell quite a bit of. We sell quite a few of these, and it's definitely our most popular skid that we sell. So again, we're still running the sale through the end of August. So if you're still in the market for a 690 machine, we have plenty in stock, and they are $500 off that price, and that sale will end at the end of August. So as you see, cut into our leg tanks, and we do our plumbing very simple, and it's good to go, ready to go to work. So just wanted to share this with you guys, and I want to say thank you again for watching the video. I'll be sharing more content in the future, more stuff to come. We've got a new LFT unit that I'm going to share with you here soon. So looking forward to sharing more content. And if you are looking for any equipment, if you're looking for a supplier that can get you parts, chemical, MVP services, we have 4 different locations. We have this one here in South Raleigh, the Garner area. We have one in North Raleigh. We have one in Wilmington, and we have one in Kernersville. So give us a call and we'll take care of you.